SEO for your blog posts. So inside the blog you have the ability to SEO all of your posts plus the blog itself. Let's go into an article and add SEO to one of the blog posts. Please note this is just a quick overview. Once we go into a Zenler blog post, you're going to see your blog post. Go across to settings. Inside the settings you have SEO. Inside the SEO you can name your blog post, and this can be different from the post itself. You can also put the page description. This is a short description that works for SEO. You can put in here a short paragraph with appropriate keywords. On the right hand side you can see a search engine preview of the blog post as it would appear if you posted it or it appeared in search engine results. You can see the share or the social media preview of what people will see as well. So this image is based on the image that you select from here. So if you wish to change this image, you can click in here and you can either upload or you can pick an image from the library. Click select and you'll see that it will now change. For the meta keywords, these are descriptive words about the blog post. You can type a word and then separate it with a comma. So if I put blogs, I could put comma, then Zenler, blogs, and then comma and repeat. Normally you put about 5 or 6 keywords into this area. So all of your blog articles can be SEO'd. Once you've finished with this, just click update. Now when you share that blog post URL, this is the preview that people will see, and this is the preview that will show up in search engines when your site is indexed. Let's now go to the blog itself and go into settings. So inside the blog settings you have the ability to actually SEO your blog post settings or your blog page settings. Again, you can follow the same procedure: description, keywords, and social media image. To find more information on SEO, go to tutorials.newzenler.com, go to on demand, make sure you sign up first, scroll down to marketing basics with Zenler, click this and enroll. Once you're enrolled for this course, simply work your way through the modules. This is fairly in-depth SEO training and will set up things like Search Console, Google Analytics, and basic SEO.